The kingdom of Rajpur is a peaceful land, surrounded by green fields and beautiful forests. At the heart of the kingdom stands a grand castle, where Prince Arav and Princess Priya live. In the kingdom of Rajpur, Prince Arav and Princess Priya were loved by the people. The kingdom was peaceful, but there was one thing missing: the crown of Rajpur. It was said to be a magical crown, and whoever wore it would rule the kingdom wisely. Arav, looking out the window: "Priya, have you ever wondered where the crown is? Father always told us it was hidden somewhere, but no one has ever found it. I think it's time we find it, Arav. Our kingdom needs it. The people are waiting for us to take our place as rulers." Arav and Priya search the castle for any clues. In an old, dusty library, they find a hidden map. "Look, Arav. This map shows a secret path to the cave where the crown is said to be hidden. It's worth a try. We'll need to be brave. The forest around the cave is known for being dangerous." Arav and Priya set out early the next morning with a few trusted guards. They travel through thick forests, cross rivers, and climb steep hills. They finally reach the entrance of the cave. The journey was long and difficult, but nothing could stop Arav and Priya from reaching their goal. The cave was dark, but they carried torches to light their way. "Do you think we'll find the crown here, Arav?" "I believe we will. The map has brought us this far. We just have to trust it." Inside the cave, they face a series of challenges. First, a riddle is carved into the wall. Arav reads it aloud. "To find the crown, you must show your heart. Only those who are brave, kind, and wise will succeed. We must answer the riddle with our actions, not words. Let's show the cave we are ready." They move forward and come across a large door. The door opens when they solve a simple puzzle. They have to work together, each solving part of the puzzle. At the end of the cave, they find a beautiful golden crown sitting on a stone pedestal surrounded by glowing light. And there it was, the magical crown of Rajpur. It was more beautiful than they had ever imagined. "It's so beautiful. But Arav, we must make sure we use it wisely." Arav, smiling: "We will, Priya. Together, we will lead our people with kindness and wisdom." Arav carefully picks up the crown, and it fits perfectly. A soft glow surrounds him and Priya. Arav and Priya return to the kingdom, holding the crown high. The people of Rajpur cheer as they welcome their future rulers. Arav and Priya returned as true leaders, not because of the crown, but because of their hearts. They had shown courage, kindness, and wisdom on their journey. The people knew they would rule with love and fairness. Arav places the crown on his head, and Priya stands beside him. The kingdom of Rajpur is finally at peace.